All right. Hey, Ryan, thank you for that awesome Taunt video. I think that gets us all a little bit more energized and excited for it. I definitely am. Great to have something to look forward to. Although, I don't really know why you're as excited as you are claiming that you are. I mean, I know you. Everyone would agree that you are the more adorable one in the group. You're like a puppy dog. Uh, but this is a euchre tournament. This is for the big dogs. So, I'm not entirely sure why you're that excited for this. As a member of Team Mouse, I will always have your back, and it's a bond that can never be broken. But I'm just not sure. Uh, seeing you on another side now, I'm not sure. Why you're so confident. Not entirely sure because I just don't know who Kyle in my competition is really going to be. I mean, again, you're a member of Team Mouse, so you certainly can be a threat. Your teammate Doug, he plays a ton of different instruments. He's very, very talented. But how well does he play euchre? That's really unknown at this point. So your team is really yet to be seen on what they can actually do. Then we got Gams and Leo. Now, Gams can be deadly. Gams can be very good. I'd say he's actually best really with his wit and his commentary. What he can do there is pretty much unparalleled. But I'm not sure if he still has it anymore. I think he may have become a little bit domesticated. I'm not sure if he still has the tenacity and veracity to survive the vicious cockfight that is a euchre tournament. And his partner Leo, I mean, we're going to be playing online, and dear God, there's buttons, and who knows what Leo is going to do. So that team, who knows what they really can accomplish. And the other one out there, Miller and Adam. I mean, 2/3 of Team Cookie, so not too much more really needs to be said there. Um, Miller, he is the board and card game guru. No one knows more about those than he does. But if he wants to shed the title as the leader of Team Cookie, he's going to need to prove it. He won't be able to just proclaim that he's no longer the leader. Then we got his partner Adam. I mean, where is he? Is he in Bahrain? Is he in DC? Is he in San Diego? Is he in Wisconsin? Who knows? And for how long? So it's kind of a question mark there for Adam. Um, yeah, definitely looking forward to this. Happy to sit down with you guys, have a few drinks, have a few days of cards, and I'll see you all on the table.